Hello, everybody. Hello, happy Wednesday. I'm right on time today. Look at me. Aren't y'all so proud? Hello, hi. How's everyone doing today? It's Wednesday. Did I say it was Monday? It's Wednesday. Pretty sure.
Wake up! Wake up!
Wow! I'm awake. Hi, Shadow. And hi, Teddy. Welcome in. It's one of those days, huh? Fun. It is just one of those days. I like your little dude on fire, Teddy. It's a fun one. Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, happy Wednesday. I definitely know what day it is, always. Yeah, I'm here. That's what I know. I know that I am here, and that's all that I can really say, I suppose. Doubt. Hi, Jeff. Welcome in. I'm before I head out. Okay, Art. Bye, Shadow. I appreciate your stopping by. Have a good one. Oh my goodness. Oh, and Spotify just exploded. Shadow broke Spotify.
And he says, dumb, idiot. And I look at myself in the mirror and I say, dumb, idiot. You're why I'm insecure.
It was weird timing me blaming you about, Spotify. Oops, whoopsies, but still very, very funny. But yeah, I hope everyone is having a good time. What are we listening to? There it is. I'm why Shadow's insecure. I don't know if I can take credit for that one. But yeah, it's Wednesday, which means it is stream day, which means today is also Observation Duty 6 day. Woo! Because we are doing that. I don't have a reason. It's on the calendar, that's what I know. So what are we gonna do? I mean, we have to follow the calendar. That's how it goes. That's just how it be going. So today is Observation Duty 6 on hard mode. I don't know if I'm prepared. I don't know if you guys are prepared. I just exist, man. That's all I know. I just be existing. I have stomach pain, and that's also what I know. So if you see me wincing, it's because my stomach hurts. It's been weird all day, and I don't know why. So that's fun for me. So yeah, if I make any weird faces, which I do already, any new weird faces? Yeah. You're behind me? Yeah, I'm standing behind you. No, I'm not gonna catch this sick. I'm immune to your nonsense. Just let Devo carry last time. I think we all let him carry. Yeah. I think we all allow that to happen. But that's okay. As long as we pass, it counts, right? Like, it's still a team effort, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just lurking behind Bulba, like, what's up? Solid toot. All right. Just don't stand behind Bulba is yeah, probably a good plan. Gross. Bulba, I can't believe you do that to me. I can't believe you. How dare you? For all this time. Yeah, so I'm curious how we do. Last time we played Observation Duty, we died to a really scary thing in the woods. So that was fun. I didn't love that. I was warned well ahead of time, of course, but it still freaked me out, and I didn't like it. So let's hopefully not let that happen again this time. Yay! Nixie, yeah, we got. We got. It was one of those, like, I saw something move on the camera, so I panicked and moved. But then I remembered, oh, I'm not supposed to do that, so I went back to the camera where I originally saw it, which is also a no-no, because they were already gone. And so when I went back to the other camera to try and find it, it was too late. I messed up. You know, it was one of those. I definitely it was my bad. I panicked. It was a whole thing. But hopefully we won't even have that happen this time. If our luck is any good, which it's usually not, we'll see. We'll see. We're a little more aware of the map now. I mean, we'll have to warm up again. So the first match might be a gimme, but it's not pool. No, we are going back to the cabin, whatever it's called. Lake House? Is it called Lake House? Lake? We're going back to the spooky Nixie, whatever. So we are going back to that location because that's the one we did last time and we didn't beat it. So we have to try again. And we have a bingo, of course. Thank you for the 100 bits, Jeff. We haven't heard that sound in a hot minute. Oh, and the sound guy talking to me. I forgot I had that turned on. Scared me more than anything. Cottage, thank you. Yes, thank you, Jeff, for the biddies. Appreciate it. So yeah, we have observation duty bingo. Of course we do. And we'll see what happens. I doubt we'll get bingo today unless we can beat all 3 maps that we have left. Because it is very hard to get bingo, we've learned. We've done it once and unlocked the Sleepy Dino as a reward. We are so close to unlocking the observation duty completionist badge, by the way. That's something I will draw once we finish them. Which does mean we'll have to play number 3, and I'm a little mad about that because I don't want to. I don't want to do it. But it's only fair that we can't have a completionist badge if we don't do all of them, right? Like, that's kind of the whole point. And of course, as soon as I make it, there's going to be another one popping out, and I'm very mad about that. But it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fun. It'll be a good time. We have a good time, I think. Hopefully you guys have fun watching me struggle. Cause yeah. If you're not having fun, we wouldn't keep playing it, I guess. That'd be silly of me. Also, I moved all these X's on this bingo, and it looked like just a splatter of blood. No, I didn't stack them. I just kind of threw them into a corner. I'll show you guys that later when we open bingo. But yeah, so I'm excited. How was your guys's, I didn't see you yesterday. How was your Tuesday? How was everyone's Tuesday? And today, I guess. I guess you can talk about today. But how was your Tuesday since I didn't see y'all? I got up to a lot of nothing, personally. I had husband time, so we just sat on the couch and read. He read his new D&D book, and I read some webtoons. It was a good time. It was met out of 10. Yeah, that sums it up. Solid Tuesday. A solid Tuesday. Yeah. It was a day. It's been a weird few days for me. But we're here. I exist. As Red likes to say all the time, I exist. I think that about sums up a lot of stuff. Sums it up. You bought Final Fantasy XIV's new expansion. Oh, I didn't know they were getting one. You can't get into the game? As in, like, you can't open it, or you're just not feeling it. Because if you bought the expansion but you weren't feeling the game, why'd you buy the expansion? If you're not feeling it, why buy more game? Why buy more game? I don't know. Oh, Laura's coming in with the disgusting toot. Hello. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. That was gross. Awesome. Awesome timing. Love it. Nice. At least we're getting some variety today. We're getting some different toots in chat. Love that.
I fart in your general direction. Your mother was a hamster and your father smelt of elderberries.
Classic, classic. I think there's 10. I think there's 10 toots in the possible lineup. I don't remember if that's quite right. 9 or 10? I think it's 10. I think I filled up all the ones I could. Which, fun fact, just toot. I am going to be switching up our Nightbot system and our sound system here soon to hopefully switch to a system that like kind of redeems, like I read the chat, not redeems, meshes everything together. So we'll see how that turns out. I have to do a lot more coding than I'm used to, so we'll see how that goes. But I have enough points I could keep redeeming to see. I mean, you could. Those are your points. You may use them how you wish. But if it is random, so you could get a double, you know. There is that. I will be adding more redeem options, by the way. I'm not just going to stick with the ones we have. I just haven't done it. I just haven't done it in a while because there's so many other things to balance. There's a lot of stuff to balance, guys. Streaming takes a lot of work. Like, it does and it doesn't, you know? It's one of those. It's like, does the actual act of streaming take a lot of effort? No, not really. I have fun. I exist with you guys. We have a good time. But the actual behind the scenes stuff is a pain in my butt. It's taking me ages. But it's a good time. It's a fun time. But yeah, Loris, we were just talking about our Tuesdays since we didn't see each other. How was your Tuesday? And I hope everyone who is in the Discord is having a good time with the Discord. I'm trying to keep up with it. Shadow is kicking our butts in the bakery, obviously. He's at like level 14 or something. Obsessed. And there's a bunch of cats in there. Provided by Soup. Bunch of cats. Tuesday kind of sucked. Got some crappy news at work. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. And I read your chat. I think that's just a penny. I owe a penny to the jar. For saying the C word. Wow. Oh, it's a shiny one. It's kind of dirty, but it's also kind of shiny. Look at that shine. Just kind of read it. The C word is a penny. Yes, absolutely. I figured because it's like, what is this, Australia? What, I like, a rat or a centipede? A rat, please. Absolutely a rat. No, you're okay, Loris. I was kind of reading. I mean, I cuss a lot. So the fact that I don't cuss on stream that much is actually pretty amazing, in my opinion. We're not going to focus on the fact that our jar is at $10.66. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, he's a little rat. Oh, he's so cute. That's adorable. It's a little rat in the hands. So cute. Thanks. I would, yeah, always prefer a rat over a centipede. You're pretty overwork. I come with ideas and they are met with eye rolls and public embarrassment. Oh, that's fun. I love that. That's always a fun time. Never like to hear that. I'm done with my work just because I don't want to work anymore. Nothing serious. Nothing serious like that. You cried at your desk. I'm sorry to hear that. That is I almost cussed. That is a terrible day. There it is. I really wanted to cuss there. It almost came out of me. That sounds awful. Maybe you should find a new job. I know it's not that easy, but also, like, if your job is making you depressed, you shouldn't be there. You know what I'm saying? That's how I've always felt. Like, if your job makes you cry, it's not the job for you. Like, that's just a fact. I've left jobs for less, so, but that's just me. I can kind of bounce between jobs because I don't have skill. I just exist. I don't have a college degree or anything. I just kind of go wherever. Whatever's open. Just kind of depends. I have a degree, but barely. Oh, you got a degree. That's better than a lot of people. So, that's saying something. I love having the little straw topper, but also when I'm thirsty and trying to get it off, I'm just like... I don't know if a centipede is the correct response to that, but good attempt, Teddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, I might be job hunting soon. Found out yesterday that your boss, who absolutely adores, is quitting. Oh, that's awful. Yeah, a good boss is what makes a workplace, for real. If my current, like, boss left, I'd be gone so fast. They wouldn't even see me. I'd be like, poof. I'd be so gone. Yep, Teddy just trying to give out centipedes and rats today. Do you ever watch the British show Keeping Up Appearances? No! I don't actually watch a lot of British TV. There's like a couple shows I used to watch, but that's about it. Oh, my tummy hurts. It's fine. I was gonna shift around a lot today. I'm 30. It's a whole thing. Oh, sorry. I discovered a tag in my pocket. What else do I got in here? Oh, headphones. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. There's a hoity-toity woman named Hyacinth Bucket, but she pronounced it bouquet. Hyacinth Bouquet. Oh my god. My boss is just like her. In a bad way, I'm assuming that's bad? Just from context clues, yeah. Okay. Very bad. Cool. Love that. That sucks. Yeah, seriously, having a good boss or manager is literally the only thing that, like, makes jobs worthwhile. Pretty much decided that I'm gonna wait until the other guy who knows the one build I'm doing comes back, and then I'm more than likely gonna get a job. Okay. At least you're waiting. I crossed. You always come in with the most wild emojis. Why Spider-Man twerking like that? But hi, Cross. How are you? Happy Wednesday. I love having a job with little to no supervision. Yeah, fair. I actually have very little supervision because I work. My manager, quote unquote, she's my best friend. One of my best friends. We've been friends since freshman year of high school. So it's very like low vibe. Like we're just like chill. My problem with my job is that it's so mind-numbingly boring. I want to explode. You know, it does not please me. He knows that I can do stuff without needing someone to hover over me. And the way upper manager has been, I know it won't stay that way after my boss leaves. Yeah, that always sucks. Oh, I like the sniffing dog. I love big snoot dogs. Oh my goodness. Just loved a big snoot. Oh. Oh. Yeah, we went live about 21 minutes ago. So it's going good. We're just doing our chatting phase, and then we're moving on to observation duty. Thank you, Jeff, for the 100 bits.
Okay, like here's a quarter.
Cheer
talk over.
100. This is to successfully do the duty dino 1 egg.
Do the duty, dino 1 egg. The TTS is something else. Are those pancakes? I want pancakes. I don't want pancakes right now. I've been craving waffles though. We have a tiny mini waffle maker in my house and I have yet to use it. Duty dino. I appreciate you, Jeff. Dude, that's the best thing. The only part is educating managers about what you do. Yeah, if anyone new came into my office and was like, tried to hover, I wouldn't last very long. I don't last very long with my the current owner of the company. When he starts to like nitpick about stuff, I'm like, you don't even know how to do my job. Like, don't talk to me. Waffles. Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Does anyone know that song? Or is it just a me thing? Cannot tell you. My tummy hoarse. It hoarded. I made chicken noodle soup for dinner tonight, but by the way, it was actually very delicious. I don't think it's why my stomach hurts, because my stomach has been weird all day. But did the noodle soup help? No. It's a wild gif. Nightbot, I was not talking to you. I was not even talking to you. Oh. So you do manufacturing, Loris. I used to be in manufacturing. I used to work on eyeball equipment, actually. And it was weird. It was weird. Where do you get all these? You've got so many. Commercial ovens. Oh. One of my friends builds like fridges. That's yeah. The appliance thing is sorry, I got distracted. Something touched me. You do have a lot. I completely lost my train of thought. Just because something touched me. Disgusting. You still doing streaming Crossed? I meant to ask that last time, but I'd spaced. What is that? A little dainty hot dog. Oh, that's why I never see you. I'm asleep. I am absolutely asleep by that time. Let me see if I can do this correctly. Wow, there we go. I did it. I need a better way to do that. That's right, yeah. That's fair. That makes sense. Yeah, I don't have to worry about children's. Just myself and my husband, so. Well, I mean, I got fuzzy kids. But they're pretty low maintenance. They're just hanging out. They're just hanging out. Okay, so there's an ad break starting in a minute, and I can't do anything about that. I have snoozed it many times. So, we're gonna let that go through, and then we'll hop into the game and see if we can't... See if we... Hold on. See if we can survive? See if we can't die? That's what I was gonna say first. That doesn't sound right to me. See if we can do it. Let's just go with that. See if we do. See if we can catch Crawly Guy and not get caught by Crawly Guy is I think that's the better one. I don't want to deal with that again because that was the worst. We were talking about that right before you came on there. Marty creeped out remembering it. Yeah. Not looking forward to that. Oh yeah, so while this ad goes, let me check in on, so I'm in the Discord server for the other game we were watching, right? Overnight Watch. And see if there's any updates. Oh, that's so neat. So the developer that said hello to us, they actually got, so the streamer that they wanted to make the game essentially like they were inspired by, they played it. So in sim, they got to play their game. That's awesome. Actually ran into another streamer that got you into Observation Duty. That's awesome because it's like such a good game. It's so good. I'm so proud of them. But yeah, so their favorite streamer got to play it. That's so cool. I love that. I love that for them. But there is a new update, which is nice, but we'll wait for a couple of versions, I think, before we play it again. So we don't like have to deal with a bunch of extra bugs. We will play that one again. Absolutely. It's phenomenal. And sorry if anyone's stuck in Agile. I'm saying that way too late because if you're in Agile, you're already in Agile. Whoops. Oops. You heard Observation Duty was made by one dude? Yeah. Observation Duty is made by a singular mans, I believe. Yeah. And Overnight Watch that we played the other day is also made by a single developer. Yeah. It's interesting. I think the game itself, coding wise, can't be so complicated, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sure it takes a long time because any game making it by yourself is going to take ages. But as far as, at least it's not like a hardcore shooter or nothing. So I think if I were ever to make a game, I probably would pick something like that. Yeah, thinking of all the anomalies is where I'd probably get stuck. Although I do love horror, so like that'd be phenomenal. I would love doing that, honestly. But yeah, thinking of all the stuff that can change and shift and like not fully copying someone else's work, especially on the anomalies front, like especially the intruders and stuff. Oh my god, the intruders would be so much fun to figure out. And but putting everything in there and the timed events and stuff like that is wild. So I have all the respect in the world for any game developer anyway. For even trying is amazing. And then doing it by yourself is so cool. So yeah, I love that for them. I love that they're doing good things. And after maybe like 1 or 2 more updates, probably play that one again and see what happens. Ew, Ellie. Yeah, I see you. She just burped really loudly for such a tiny thing. Yeah, figuring out the RNG and the spawn rating, I can kind of understand the coding that needs to go into it, but at the same time, my brain's like, what? It's like, what do you mean? Huh? But also I know more or less like boop, 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 how this works, you know? But to actually have to do it, no, thank you. The coding ever knows on my MySpace page. Yeah, that's fair. You got gifted more emotes? You're gonna go power hungry with your emotes. These are pretty good though. I like the panic one. Panic. You're just a favorite. You're just a favorite in all these crowds. Although I'm a little concerned about the third one. I'm a little concerned. I've got questions that I'm not sure I want the answers to. Okay, welcome back from ad jail. If you were stuck in ad jail, hello. You've returned. You are freed from prison. My favorites. The panics. Oh my god, the third one's really good. I love like the up close. You have no answers. Well, that is true. It was just kind of gifted to you, wasn't it? Okay, I'm pulling up the game. Bum bum bum. I am pulling it up. You just lost the game. Can't believe you've done this. I see every once in a while, like a TikTok go through is like, all millennials, you're freed from the game. You don't have to do it anymore. I'm like, good. I never played to begin with. You can't get me. Can't get me if I'm ungettable. I don't know what I say half the time. So don't worry about me. You do have a lot of rats. Yes, you do, Teddy. I'm impressed, honestly. Just ingrained in your psyche at this point. That's fair. That is absolutely fair. Yay! Our game capture is working. Phenomenal. Love that. I did have to roll back.
He says, dumb, idiot. And I look at myself in the mirror and I say, dumb, idiot. You're why I'm insecure.
Bulba, I can't believe you did that to me. I cannot believe you've done this. Absolutely tragic. Yeah, I can. You're right. Okay, we're doing Summer Cottage, by the way, because we were partially through it. Tragic like me? What are you talking about? How dare you? I am not tragic. Am I? Cottage. I'm so emo, dude. I actually have been listening to my emo playlist the last 2 days. That's the kind of mode I've been in. You can tell where my mental state is. It's been really good, actually. Fingers crossed, no ghosts or footprints or anything creepy crawling through the woods. Did you just like leave him in the tub? You said, all right, here you go. Boop. Bye. It do be like that. It's been one of those it's been one of those days. No, it's been one of those weeks actually. With the new saber. Ah, that'll save him. We can do this. We can do this, guys. Get your first good for get a look. Get the eyeballs going. I don't break stuff. Maybe. I mean, I've never been like a big rage person. I'm more of the type that's like, I'm gonna go sit down and just not exist for a little while. You know? But yes. So sick, your head is underwater, but may your eyeballs stay moist and your mind alert. Okay. Thank you? Okay, yeah, go lay down, go to bed or something. Endless supply of emotes. I told you guys to look and then I have not been looking. I think I remember how this map is supposed to look for the most part. Ugh. For the most part. God, when did we play this last? Was it like Monday? Monday or Tuesday? Whoa, blood. It's pouring blood. Don't forget, yeah, the rock. You are absolutely right. Gotta remember the rock. But yeah, it just started raining blood out of our spouts. You know, sometimes it'd be like that. It just be like that. Oh, is it can't see behind me? Behind my face, yeah. Yeah, I think the only thing you actually can see when there's too many buckets, it pops up right above camera. And then you can't see the darts, for sure. Other than that, I think most things are okay behind my face. No, yeah, no, I think you're probably okay. Does anyone remember which way the cutting board is supposed to face in the kitchen? Because I have already forgotten. Yeah, I don't remember either. Oh, we got some lights issues in the living room. The blinkies! Not the blankies. Why did it say the blankies? I said the blinkies. Nope, it still doesn't, it can't pick up the I in that word. Sorry, I'm looking at my closed captions. Okay, we're just gonna say the handles to the left because I think that's correct. Hopefully. Kitchen, you say? Oh my god. I literally just said the handle should be pointing to the left. Oh my god. I hate it in here. I can't believe that. I'm so mad at myself, dude. I can't believe I said that and I just forgot instantly. It's fine. I'm fine. Yeah, at least one of us is paying attention, because, oof. Hey, hey, hey! Someone's taking our boat! Put that back! We only got the one boat. I like how it was just like rowing itself away. Although it's not really tied to anything, it seems like bad practice. Personally. Be the only thing you see. That's it. It's the only thing I'm catching. Oh, red. That was a solid one. Oh my god. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Good grief. I love how a lot of times you guys don't even say hello anymore. It's just farting. Some channels have like the daily check-in. No, we have farting around here. Yes, I know it's my fault, but also. Ah! I got scared by a booty. It's a pretty good thing to be scared of. Is a butt. He wanted to fart too. Absolutely not. He's too dead for that. Although, I mean, dead bodies do release like everything when they go, so he probably was tooting a little bit. Kitchen question mark, you say? I'm not sure. Next to the woodpile? I think it's all the same. But we can test it. Oh, I should have waited 2 seconds for Teddy. Oh, chat misreport. Misreport, you say? Oops. No, see, you just wanted to add it to our bingo. That's all. That's all it was. You're just trying to get our bingo. That's what I get for trying to use my eyes. I got greedy and actually looked at things. Is the woodpile higher in here? Am I imagining that? I should have checked like what rung it was on the ladder. Because I think it can grow. I just don't remember. Oh, hi. Think it's good? Okay. I'm never sure, because I think that got us on one of the last ones. We are for sure missing something, though. It's been way too long. There is one. Cool. Is it the chair? Is the chair too close? I don't remember how close the chair gets. It feels wrong. Ah, it was the chair. Nice. Nice! Yeah, I definitely second guessed it. And then you said like the one anomaly and I was like, okay, good. I'm gonna go back and click it because... One? What are you talking about? I see nothing. The living room? We're going around. And around, and around, and around. And I forgot how far... Oh, there's a tree here. That's not supposed to be there. Wow. 0 anomalies, you say? Interesting. No, Loris, you're supposed to guess too. You should, like, listen, I usually make all the bad guesses. Hey, how about this leg, though? You gotta keep guessing. It's part of the fun. Hello, Katina. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. We've just started. You don't want to get us frozen? I mean, yeah, but it's part of the fun, Panic. It's definitely an experience. We can always try, is the thing. And just hope we don't get any ghosts, right? That is the thing. I always hear this sound and I'm like, what is that? Yeah, you're right. I shouldn't have said anything, honestly. Ugh. So I definitely don't want to see the shape coming to get us. I did put us on hard, right? Was anyone paying attention when I clicked it? Because this feels very light. I didn't see either, even though I'm the one that clicked it. I thought it was on hard, but also... I realized you paused and I was like, why is she just smiling? I smile sometimes. Also, there's buckets. You just can't see behind my face. You can kind of see it at the top there. Like right, you can see like right there. Now they're gone. Maybe I just like to smile creepily all the time. Nobody smiles for that long. Unless they're possessed. Not that I would know. Not that I would know. I wish there was a way to check to see what, like, skill level we're on. The jellyfish. Because this does feel very quiet. Maybe we just got really good RNG. You know? Yeah, you can. You can hear the emote. People say you can't hear pictures. You can hear certain pictures. Yeah, absolutely lies. Oh, the mailbox is gone. Oops, didn't mean to double click there. It is a fact. You can definitely hear a lot of images. Because we live on the internet. And we've seen and heard a lot of things. If we do beat this, and it turns out we were on, like, standard the whole time, I'll be very upset. I'll be very upset. All the dancing. Yeah, we're just warming up. That's all. We're just warming up. That's what we'll call it. Oh, see the woodpile. Bam, I knew it. I knew it would change. So third rung on the ladder is the normal level of pile. That was a weird sentence, but wasn't wrong. One more for bingo. Bingo. I feel like the living room is usually like decently quiet. I only know of a few of the anomalies in there anyway. But yeah, it is always weird when one room is really quiet. We've only had one anomaly in here so far, just the blinking lights. One? Ah, my god. What do you mean? If there's one in the living room, I'd be very, be very upset. Oh, it's right there. It's right in front of us. Loris, we're blind. Ah! Oh my god. Thanks, Katina. We are both blind. Ooh, did Teddy miss that one too? Ooh. I feel like the kitchen's also been really quiet for what it usually is. It's weirding me out, man. Oh, Katina taking your spot. He's got to type faster, I guess. I bet Katina doesn't have as many rats as you. There's that. Because boy howdy do you have a lot of rats. Oh, did they? One in the kitchen. And I don't see it. Check out my usuals. Stuff on the shelves moved. Oh, this one does like get me every time, I think, so. We'll try. Nope. Not the shelves. But this one does always get me. Okay, we have to move on. We'll come back. Oh, hey, there's an axe. There's an axe in the door. Who's just throwing axes all around? Like, come on. You're gonna dull the axe that way. Whoa, bloody arm. It's definitely a mannequin arm. For sure. No blood, no nothing. So there's still... It was this shelf second and third? Oh, so higher up? Did I click in the wrong spot? Oh. So you weren't wrong, Loris. I just clicked wrong. I'm the dumb. Thank you, Katina. Mm, 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 mm. I think we're not on hard. Oh, there's a bag on the porch missing. There was 2 little coffee bean bags. I don't know if they're coffee bean bags, but that's what they look like to me. Little bags of beans. What? What do you mean? Huh? 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 Uh-oh. Because I don't see it. Unless the rug changed? Really? I have not been paying attention to that rug. Thanks, Katina. I should have paid attention to that rug. That's such a different color. Like, what? I don't know, man. Uh-oh. A ghost? Prepare yourself, Loris. 'Tis time. It is time. Ah, Crawley is now the only thing I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go slower. And so I don't, like, panic click out of the screen again. Oh, the darts are missing. You guys can't see it. The darts behind my face are missing off of the dartboard. Hair is attached to me, but it's touching me. I hate when, like, you miss a couple hairs from your ponytail or whatever. I know, super relatable. But it's just like... bleh. Hey, that boat doesn't belong there. That blends in. I don't think I've ever seen that one. Yeah, now I'm just like extra nervous. Yeah, that's Loris's job. And hopefully mine for not like panic clicking out of it. You know? I don't know what this motion was. I guess to show how tense I am. I don't know. I can't explain my actions, guys. Like, I have zero idea what's occurring most of the time. One. Oh, the light flicker. That's, yeah, that one's rough. You're right. Thank you. That one's always like a little hard to see. Perf. Two of us are speaking binary. I can't read binary. You woo. Oh, the fire's out. No, just click this. 0101101. Beautiful. Okay, I don't see it. I'm keeping my eyes peeled. It's 5 a.m. and I'm freaking out. Hey, there's cups here. Oh boy. Oh, we got the pooping boy. I'd be mad to be interrupted too, my guy, but also stop pooping in our outhouse. You don't even go here. Good timing, Red. Perfect. Perfection. Tiny bottle? Where? Oh, Shadow Monster. Shadow Monster? She just wants to sell us Girl Scout cookies. Ooh. No tiny bottle. That tree moved and I was like, it's here! No, it's just a tree. Loris, don't say that unless you saw it. Yeah, I don't freak me out like that. You had a break time to just in case. That's understandable. Wait, is that an abyss growing? Am I crazy? I think that's definitely an abyss, right? It's getting darker, yeah? I was like, is it? you got titty. I'm glad it's not just me. Hey, footprints. I'm keeping my eyes peeled. I think we're okay. There's no way this was hard, right? Just kidding, that was hard mode. We just got the achievement. That was the easiest hard mode we've ever done. But yay! We did it! Yay! Not you, Ellie. She loves cheering. Okay, now we gotta go to our bingo card. Binger. It took peanuts because of last time. Absolutely. Yes, thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate it. We did great. Let me get our... That's not it. Or is it? Hold on. There we go. There we go. I forgot I had the jank setup still on. Okay. So as far as this goes, we have beat a map. We have chat misreport. We have guess an anomaly before. Yes. Forget everyone. That was the other thing I was looking for. Yeah, no, you're good. But I was like, oh my god, did I miss it again? I like. Please no. Oh yeah, naked. We had to do naked. I think we had 2 nakeds. Beat with no warning. We didn't get the warning. And we had beat on first try. Oh man, today might be a good day. Real obvious change. Oh, yeah, you're right. That was a really obvious change. I'm mad about that one. There it is. Okay. Still mad about that. Nice. I think that was it. I think that was it for this one. Also, I keep meaning to change sucked into the void because that never happens to us. I'm gonna switch it out to whole. Stop it. Because that one gets me sometimes. Okay. So now we can go on to a new map. Yeah, it should be an easy one to get for sure. It's definitely when I'm like super confused that comes out of me. I'm like, what do you mean? What do you mean? Okay. All right. So now we have hospital for sure. Was it hospital and pool? I think it was hospital and pool that we are still missing. Let me check our achievements. Our achievements. Yeah, we need it's hotel and hospital. It's hotel and hospital that we have to beat on hard difficulty. Huh. And unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna get on our bingo card the achievement for an intruder, because the only one that we have still locked is the lumberjack, and I think the lumberjack would have shown up on the cottage. So I think we're actually out of luck for that one on our bingo card. But so we have hotel and hospital. Which one would you guys like? I think we've played hotel more. Hotel has an intruder, but I think we've already gotten the achievement for it is the problem. Specifically on the bingo card, it's get an achievement for an intruder. And obviously the longer we play this game, the less it's going to happen, you know? So I think we're out of luck on our bingo card. Excuse me. Oh my god. That was a double yawn. Okay, so do you guys have preference, hotel or hospital? You're good at either. It must be nice. Must be nice to be good at things. Then let's go. Wake up! Wake up! Ah! let's go hotel. It's definitely on hard mode. It's all lit up and everything. Wow. Because I think hotel I'm going to have the most luck at. Because I've looked at this one a lot. That does not mean I'm good at this one. But I've looked at it a lot. So hopefully I'll notice something. At least a little bit of something. We'll see. You've seen it once. Well, that's better than nuns. That is something. It is absolutely something. Skip. Okay, so yeah, get your good look in. Because we're going. See if we can do this. You're not paying attention? I mean, am I? We need someone paying attention. It's literally your name, Teddy. What do you mean? You'll wait till 30? Okay. Just gonna wing it. Just gonna wing it. It's been a while since I've looked at this map, I'm now realizing. Oh, we got a cone head with an extra eyeball looking dude. Oh. Something just changed in here. Felt like it got brighter up in the top, but I don't. I think I might be actually crazy there. Oops. All right, Teddy, lock in. It's been 30. 30 what? I'm not sure. 30 in-game minutes. My goodness crossed. Can't tell if the lion turned slightly or not. Elevator A. Is it the lion? Okay. Okay. That one has gotten me many times before and I still questioned it. You know? Ah. Oh, I love this game. It's going great. Actually, it is going pretty great. We beat the first map already, which is phenomenal. It's pretty good for us. I did jinx us, didn't I? Oh, hi Tech Bat. Sorry. You're the same color as two other people in chat, and so I just like glazed over your name. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. I almost. Woo! 2 OD6 experts. Yeah, hopefully that's enough. Sometimes it's not. How's observation? We sure are observating. And there's a ghost playing badly. Wee woo. It's going good. We just beat Summer Cottage. Whew. Summer Cottage on hard. Who's the 2 folks expert? So we've got Teddy, so attention in here, and Katina. They are resident OD6 experts. And Loris just has good eyeballs. And I'm the one that pushes buttons. Yay! Loris is doing their best. Aren't we all? Yes, I'm reporting for button pushing duty. Whether that be annoyance or actual in-game button pushing, we'll see. It depends on the mood. Also, I want to cross my legs so bad, but that never works out for me. My legs always fall asleep within a minute. And this chair has arms on it, and that does not go great. But I want to cross my legs so bad. One day I'll get one of those, like, leg crossing chairs. Yeah, that'll be nice. They look so comfy. And, like, I don't need arm supports because my desk is like a little, like, wedge. So I rest my arms on my actual desk with squishy things because that hurts without them. Let me tell you. But, hey, someone's not cleaning around here. There's a maid cart right there. Are they still called maids at hotels? That's a weird thing to ask, right? Cleaning team? That's your ketchup? Well, clean up after yourself. It's disgusting. This is how we get ants. Cleaning staff? I think it's just cleaning staff. Ah! You got a long cat. Housekeeping! Thank you, Katina. Oh my god. Why? That was gonna bother me all night. I kid you not. Thanks, Katina. You can see where my brain is today. Most days, I think it's out of context. I would make it long. True. That's not supposed to be closed. I don't know, I was like bracing myself for something behind it. I don't think it's ever happened before, but when I say that, it sounds very inappropriate. Okay, if given the opportunity, here's a question for everybody. Given the opportunity, would you stay at a haunted hotel? And like confirm haunted, you know? Not like oh, it was reported to be haunted. No, confirmed haunted. For sure you're guaranteed a haunting in the middle of the night. How would you do it? It's so inconvenient I can't see behind my head. I'm sorry. I have a head. No, Laura said absolutely not. Depends if they're friendly. Let's say they're not friendly, but they're not violent either. Like they're not out to get you, but they definitely don't care about your well-being either. Still no. That's fair. You say no? I would debate it. It would definitely depend on how severe, like, the reports have been, you know? Like, if it's just a woman drifting across my room at 2 a.m., then kind of whatever. Teddy would, yeah. It might be entertaining. Of course, the two, yeah, OD6 experts in here are like, absolutely, let's go see some ghosts. Yeah, absolutely. It would be a terrible time. Like, I've been to enough, like, haunted locations in my life that the idea doesn't really bother me. But, I don't know. When I want to go to bed, I don't want anything bothering me either. You know, like, I just want to go to sleep. Like, go away. I don't care if it's your afterlife. Like, I'm tired. They say you can sleep when you're dead, but I am not there yet. You have trouble sleeping in hotels? Ah, that's unfortunate. I have pretty much no trouble sleeping anywhere. Except obviously when the insomnia hits, but like that's a very special case. I sleep wherever. One with a question mark, you say? I don't know, do the towels move? You guys can't see my mouse on this one. I hate that. I'm not sure about the towels, but that's the only thing I can think of in that vicinity. There probably is one active by now for sure, but like, is it the towels? I don't remember how they move. Because they do move, right? Where do you think the towels did move? Okay. All right. Okay, I'm not crazy. Partially. Thank you, Katina, for the reaffirming. There we go. We do have an ad coming up. I'll try and snooze it so we don't get caught in the middle of a game. But if I snooze it now, it's just gonna restart here in a sec, so I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. Ah! Entrance to luggage outside? Really? I was distracted by the ad. And this hair on me. Jeezums. Thank you, guys. You are helping, Loris. Good job. And TechBat. Thank you. Whoa. We're distorting. We be distorting. Kinda don't like the second map. I'm in on Observation Duty 2. Ooh, yeah. Observation Duty 2 kind of... Sorry, there's horns blaring outside. Which map are you on? It's been a long time since I've played. Are you on like the super low res texture one? Because that one hurts my eyes. Is that number 2 or is that number 1? Oops. Oh, God, there it goes. It's moving. Guys, I found one. But yeah, the super low quality map, I had to squint at it like this the whole time and had to be talked through it by a different chatter. Like, I'm pretty sure they handed me that whole map. That was yesterday when I helped a streamer beat it. Yeah, it's a rough one. I did not appreciate that map. It just hurt to look at. It was supposed to be first try until you report extra, not intruder ghost. Oh no. I've definitely done that. Like misreported and it was the thing that killed us. Almost 5. Oof. Ellie's being weird again. Entrance. Entrance. Extra streetlight. Oh, it's behind my chat box. Is it the one on the left or is this one right here? Okay, it's the right one. Okay. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Beautiful. We got this. We're doing pretty okay, I think. I'm not trying to jinx it. Knock on wood, quick. Oh. I don't think your tea kettle is supposed to smoke that way. You know? You know? On observation duty, we're on the tootie. I mean, if you like tootin', you came to the right channel. That's for dang sure. My chat loves playing with the fart button. Man, Ellie just burped again. What is she doing today? Is it this extra thing? There it is. There's the sound. Yeah, I actually noticed the extra wardrobe thing before I noticed the extra elevator. It's kind of weird. Ma'am, I don't want to marry you. Oh, I forgot to snooze the ad. Oops. We'll do a pause. I knew I would forget. I knew I would forget. We'll do a quick pause so no one gets lost in the sauce. Okay. So tech bat, that was a fast ad, tech. Like, what the heck? Huh? Katina, are you stuck in ad jail? I think you'd be the only other one that would be stuck in ad jail right now. If you can hear me, type in chat. Possibly ad jail. Possibly. Okay, since we're on ad jail break, I'm gonna try and fold my legs. I have to do this really weird. You're gonna see some weird positioning. Hold on. You guys are locked in. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Whoop. Ah. I did it. Now I'll see how long I can last. Okay. Ah. Thanks, Teddy, for giving that to Katina. I appreciate that. And to TechBat. Oh my god. Thanks, Teddy. Thanks for the gifted. I appreciate that. My sweatshirt says cloak over and over and over again. I'm a cloak slut. My pants are also from Cloak currently. Pretty much anything I wear in this channel is most likely Cloak. You have about a 90% chance of guessing that correctly. I have an addiction. It's fine. But yes, thank you so much for the gifted subs. Now we're not stuck in Agile. Yeah, it's a brand. It's a brand by Markiplier. Big YouTuber. I buy a lot. It's very good quality. She's not kidding. Everything she wears, except my underwear and my socks. So, and my bra. They don't make bras. No, I think they actually do. But yeah, I wear a lot of Cloak. I wear a lot of Cloak. Most of my t-shirts and pretty much all of my hoodies are Cloak brand. I have a problem. It's fine. I collect weird things, and that's one of them. Shall we get back into the game? Right, yeah. Like, it's a really good quality product, and it helps one of my favorite creators. So, like, whatever, you know? Same with, like, why I buy the coffee brand that I do. It helps Jacksepticeye. It's his coffee brand that I drink is Top of the Morning. Which, if anyone wants 10% off of their first order, it's down below me, actually. There's a little code down there. I don't know what the code is off the top of my head, but it's down there. But yes, I wear so much Cloak, it's not even funny. I like buying merch that's usable. Like it has a function. Whoa. I was actually gonna make a joke about the Shadow Lady earlier, and I didn't. But there she is, she's just lurking. She's straight lurking. Four a.m. My legs are already tingling. I told you guys this wouldn't last very long. I got thick thighs, you know what I'm saying? Cuts off my blood circulation. I survived 2 hours. 2 hours. Whoa! I've never had that before. I don't think you're supposed to be in there. Please vacate the premises immediately. Immediately. Count cams in 20-minute intervals. Yo, go to the nail salon. Get them puppies shaved down. That is extreme. I think I'm gaslighting myself, but lobby? Let's see. What are you gaslighting yourself about, is the question. It's like the papers didn't move. I know that's a tough one. There always a plant by the pillar by the two computers? I think so. I think so. I'll look again when I go back around. Okay. Gaslighting it is. I do that to myself all the time. It's usually why I ask, am I crazy? Because that's what it feels like. But yeah, plant by the pillar by the computers. Yeah. I'm pretty sure, darn sure that was there actually. The plant in here looks weird, but I don't know if that's incorrect or not. That I don't know. I think I'm guessing. Wake up! Oh my god, Bulba. Aren't you supposed to be sleeping? Aren't you supposed to be like so sick? Ah! Go to bed, you monster. One! Jeff's like, haha, tootin'. One, what are you talking about? What are you even referring to? I'm too startled to focus. I'm too startled to focus. The lobby? Are you sure? Oh, the paper's moved. I just pointed that out too.
Coin. Okay, like here's a quarter.
Exactly.
Cheer 25.
25 bits. Thanks, Jeff. That's a whole quarter. Like, here's a quarter. Seriously, no one ever gets that reference when I'm like, coin, coin.
Okay, like here's a quarter.
Cheer 69.
69 bits. I'm sorry I don't have any special codes. I know you were probably hoping for something at 69 biddies, but I haven't set that up yet. Your message didn't send? Uh-oh, tech. Did I miss it or did it not send? Because that's very... Oh, you have to refresh. Okay. One, the bar. Okay, I don't see my usual suspects. Oh, there's a stool missing. You're right. I always look for like the decanter and then the things on the top. Check the lobby. I think we caught the lobby one. Let me go around again. Hold on. Yeah. Game ideas for good pickup and play stuff that is pretty well reviewed. One. Bulba's just obsessed with Necrodancer right now. Oh, you're right. Sorry, I was looking down at the floor. Game ideas for good pick up and play game. Plants vs. Zombies, honestly. I love Plants vs. Zombies. It did get derpy. If I were ever to do a speed run, it'd be of Plants vs. Zombies for real. I got the bedspread. I know that one. What's another good pick up and play one? I mean, Haven Dock was pretty good. I enjoyed Haven Dock. RuneScape is always good. I mean, old school RuneScape personally, I like. I'm sure the new stuff is fine. I mean, Plants vs. Zombies, that's why I recommend that one. It's solo. It's very solo. Oh, our chips moved. I play that one a lot. They're in sync now. They are in sync. like the band. One. Oh. The candle between the elevator and table's missing? Huh? There's a candle? See, it's Harpo. I think there's a Harpo. On the table between the elevators. There's a candle supposed to be here? I was gonna take your guys' word for it. Jeff, I'm really glad you like Kung Pao. That's a phenomenal film. Thank you guys. I didn't remember there was candles there. I had zero idea. Oh yeah, I can quote the entire Kung Pao film without even breaking a sweat. My favorite member is Harpo. I think there's a Harpo. If not, there should be. Ropes in the lobby. You're not gonna get me this time, you hoe. Yay, yeah, that one gaslit us the last time we caught that one. Teddy's like, okay. I'm very aggressive about that one. It pissed me off last time. It was very frustrating. Dole Jack, get out of here.
Are you working, lurking, and twerking? We appreciate you, lurker.
Thanks for the lurk, Bulba. Yeah, the rope messed us up. I think Sopa actually found that one of the last times he did it. Or something. Maybe it was Loris, I don't remember, but we were like, we thought it was the suitcases, and no, it wasn't. You know, I think you're correct, Teddy. I was a little hesitant to say that, but we haven't even had the warning yet, and we have 5 minutes left to go. 4 minutes. Are we the best? Are you guys the best? Yay! We did it, guys! I pushed buttons! Yay! Good job, everybody. That was good. Hell yeah, dude. Let's check out our binger. Our bingus. Let's check out this bingo. I helped Gaslight. Yay! Oh no. Okay, so we definitely I did a haul aggressively with those candles. That was I can't even deny that one. We beat 2 maps. Absolutely we did. There goes the egg. The dancing egg. I don't think we really got anything else on that one though. We didn't lose a camera. I didn't gasp about nothing. Yeah, I think that's the only ones we get to mark off though. We got the Hall and the Beat 2 maps, which is great. 2 maps is phenomenal. What are they petting in that image? Is it they petting a rat? Yeah, you guys are just too awesome. I was about to say stop it, but please don't. I need all the help I can get. Every bit of help. But that means, you know what that means? It's not even 8 o'clock, and we only have 1 more map to beat on Observation Duty 6. That's insane. This is great, but it's everyone's favorite, and it's Hospital. Maybe we should think about changing the disagree with report types, and 6 doesn't really have different report options. That is fair. That is true. Because I can't really argue with it if all I do is click it, you know? Do you have a recommendation for switching that? Like, is there a better one? We have hospital. Hospital is our last one. It's kind of, yeah. But we can do it. Maybe. We only have one more map. I believe in you. Totally my favorite. It's great. It'll be fine. My foot's asleep. By the way, ow, God. You don't have an alternate option? All right. I don't really have one either. That's why it's still as it is. We can definitely do our best. I don't really have a winners never quit. We don't be quitting up in here. I don't know what I would switch that I always call out people's typos, so because they're funny to me. And because I speak so terribly anyway, so it like kind of works out. Oh, heroic never quit. That sounds like a slogan. Never give up, never surrender. Words are hard. You know, no one's been using that command nearly enough, considering how often I flub my words. It's embarrassing. It has more than 2 times. I will say that. We'll switch that to shadow being for the time being. For now. Because I don't have another one. Disagree. Oh, did I miss that? I'm sorry. Disagree on if there is an anomaly. Okay. Yeah, sorry, Katina. I'm sorry I missed that. Thank you, Laura, for pointing that out. Oh, you're trying Enshrouded? I hear it's really fun. I debated on that one. Apparently it's fairly soloable, open world. Yeah. I hear it's really, really good. Didn't know that was a command. Yeah, I think I mostly put that in there because Jeff kept trying to type it in. And I was like, well, it's gonna be real now. Let's see. Then yeah, we'll switch it out to disagree with there being a airport. Yay, Discord command. Almost 300 hours on Ark. Oh my god. Goodness. I've never played Ark before. Even though I love Ark, like the concept, I just never played it before. Yeah. Obviously, I love dinosaurs. It's no shocker there. I do want to play the Isle also, which is more dinosaurs, but I don't know if my computer can run it. I think my computer would actually explode if I tried to run Ark. But I think I own it. Just never played it. Oh, I probably should start, shouldn't I? One last time, Teddy says. One last time. I'll take any help I can get. Please. Because we're so close to beating almost all of the observation duty catalog. Until he adds another one, obviously. Sorry, this is very important. We have to pause real quick. Hold on. Someone's got to tell us about it. Say hi, Miss Ellie. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Being good, Puppo. He's a pretty baby girl. You hear that? They love you. She says, yeah. Mom, where's the treats? I know they're here. She sees them. You see that? See her looking up? Ellie Bell, my love. 206 bits, Jeff. Oh my god.
Sheer 206.
Thank you for the biddies. Oh my goodness. You need the crunch? We all ready? Job. Crunch. I gotta get her own microphone. One of those like little tiny ones that people keep putting like by their cats when they're sniffing or something. You ever seen those? Those are so funny. They crack me up. Delicioso. Yeah, was that so yummy? Oh, my baby. He's just a baby. That's all you get, though, stinky chunk. You had your food. Yes, you did. She says more, please. All right, you're going to put you right here, okay? You're gonna sit down, mommy. Sit down right there. Ugh. Scoot her out of the way. Okay. Yeah, she knows exactly where those treats are kept. She knows. She knows. Don't let her fool you guys. She's smart about some things. Oh yeah, we gotta remember PP window. Gotta remember that there's a PP window that pops up. It's gotten us a couple times. Is it 7? Oh my god, I think... Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. It's 6 cameras. Pool has the 7th. All done, Ellie. Don't look at me like that. All done. You got one. National Doctors Day, February 27th. We're a month away from National Doctors Day, apparently. Stretching is important, everybody. Also, random question for you guys. Looking at my phone reminded me. If I asked you what's on the docket for today, would you know what that means? What are you guys talking about? Corridor got shorter? What? Eh. Okay. Yeah. All right. So that's not a crazy thing. My niece, who is 14, I asked her what was on the docket for the day, and she's like, docket with a question mark, and I was like, schedule? Like, what are you doing today? And she called me old. I said, what? I don't see what's in the office. Kids don't read. My niece actually really does read. She's a reader. Never mind, you're dumb. I mean, you're not dumb. You could have told me anything and I'd have believed you. Forgot the clock's a move. Okay, was there always 2 chairs along the side of the wall in this room? I don't remember. I don't remember if there was 2 chairs. But yeah, she called me old because she didn't know what docket meant. But I did look it up because I was curious. And docket is specifically related to, like, court cases. But the slang use is how we use it. Was there always a pamphlet on the ground in psych ward? That's a great question. I'll just see it again, but my brain wants to say yes. Yeah, I believe so. Patient ward, not psych ward. 1 and 1? I don't like that you both kind of agreed. And yet I have zero idea what you're agreeing on. This is my worst map. I'm just gonna stop trying. No, Loris, keep trying. Game system is a pre-processing of your fan is going ballistic. That's no good. That's very bad. What game are you trying to explode your computer with? Woo! Oh, Enshrouded, that's right. Goodness, thank you, TechBat, for the follow. Scared the heck out of me. Hold on, Ellie's stomping on me. Hold on. Say goodbye, little stink. Ugh. Thank you for the follow. Scared the bejeebums out of me. As is tradition. But yeah, if your computer is struggling with Enshrouded, I know I definitely couldn't play it. Which is unfortunate. It was like on my wish list for a long time. Yeah. I don't know if plant missing in lobby near the fire extinguisher. In the back? What are you even talking about? I'm just gonna click that vague area. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's going on the snipe report on the bingo card. There's no way. That's going on the snipe. I don't understand you guys. How are your eyes so good? It killed you before? That's, yeah, fair. Laura's right there with you. I was like, I don't know how that happened. I am Confucian. Oh my god. Tech, that's very funny. 1. Stuff on the shelf? This stuff moved, or the big shelf or the tiny shelf? I've never looked at the shelves. The tiny? Ugh. Ah, okay, I see it now. The vials are like next to each other. Okay, that'll be easier to remember next time. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Big preach. Yeah, this map I've looked at the least. I think we've played this one maybe 3 times. It for sure is a skill issue. That's not even a joke. Yeah, that's why I wasn't looking for it. I was waiting for the P door. I straight up was just waiting for the P door, which is, again, weird to say. Only 4 hours. Ugh. Definitely wood. Wood called it. I absolutely believe you, Teddy. My my life and observation duty career is in your hands. What? One? One? Oh. Are we missing a poster? Flyer? Pamphlet? Hey Pierre? Oh, it just shifted. Oh my god. You guys are too good at this. D-Bone will be very proud right now. I'm missing a cam. Hold on. Hold on, let me figure it out. Whoa, that's an abyss. Hold up. I know which one we're missing. We're missing... There was 6? I thought we were missing the... Am I gaslighting myself now? No, corridor's there. I thought we were missing corridor. Daddy, don't do that to me. I just said I trusted you implicitly. I was gonna say, yeah, Laura's usually counts the cams. Because boy, howdy, do I not. Unless I'm like, hold up, there's something wrong. I can sense it in my bones. And usually that's when a camera's missing. Of course, but then it's been like 10 minutes, but you know. That's why it's on our bingo card. That's okay. I miscounted too when you said that. I was like, oh, we're obviously missing corridor. And then I passed corridor immediately. And it's fine. Oh, I'm getting Instagram reels right now. Stop. Also, all the pee jars are accounted for, in case anyone was curious. We gotta, like, we're on a record right now. We're on a streak. And because you only promised one more help. So. If we lose, I'm screwed. It's been awfully quiet. Oh, there it is. Angry mouth. Angry mouthums. And count every 20 minutes. I will see. Second guessing, was there always a paper in the window in the office? Yes. There was a plant and a paper. That I'm pretty sure about. Pretty sure. Oh, there's a chair missing, right? Yeah. No, Nightbot, my posture is actually ass right now. I cussed. I don't know if that was is that a 5 center? It's a 10 center. Thank you, Loris. Almost said chair kiss. I think I would have understood what you meant though. 10 cents in the jar. I'm going. I'm not going on the cuss train, but it do be vibrating. Shake, rattle, and roll. Well, thanks, TechBat. Yeah, go get some good food. I appreciate you hopping in and for the follow. We appreciate your help. The witching hour. Yeah, the witches come out. That's what that means, right? Yeah, no worries if you're not back. I did just count them. We have 6. I think we're good there. But even if you're not back, that's totally cool. We do stream on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 6 p.m. Central Time and Sundays at 8:30 a.m. So even if you're not back today, hopefully we get to see you next time. We're playing a horror mystery puzzle game tomorrow, so. Thanks for joining. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening. Words are hard. I was just reading your message, Loris, to be fair. But that counter is way below. You meant that for you? You said, I also flubbed my words. 1. I don't see it. I'm in trouble. Or is it the binders? I know they got me one of the times. Are we missing some binders? I'm gonna guess the binders. Don't say, oh no. The computer tower, oh, my bad. Computer tower missing? But where? I don't know, is it the one right in front of me? Like right here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh! I don't know where it is. The bottom desk? Was it the one I was kind of clicking on? Hold on, let me do a quick sweep for the other anomaly, see if I can find it. The answer is no, I cannot. Okay. That's 1. So we have another one somewhere. If it's the entire floor in that one room again. Is it the missing cam? Corridor, office. Oh, we're missing the patient ward, right? Yeah, okay. And there's blood on the scale. I'm glad we stopped here. Thanks. Thanks, guys. I'm going. Oh. was just chilling. Just gasping and chilling. I think you guys are both the goat. We have been saved from the warning. Does intruder gasping count as an aggressive gasp? I mean, it's definitely not me gasping, but there was aggressive gasping. It could be argued. One, huh? Never mind. Oh my goodness. You're gonna give me a heart attack one of these times. Oh, no, Katina says there actually is one, so. Is the drawer being open? God, I hope that wasn't open before. Missing plant and patient? Oh, well, I'm glad we hung out here. Was there 2 plants on the table? Or was there one? There wasn't one in the corner. Was it? Okay. I was like, I didn't think there was one in the corner. Katina's carrying us. Oh, that's on. Eyeball. All right. They're coming back to back now. That's cool. So now we can, now on our bingo card, we do have reports back to back, because that was like back to back to back. That was kind of insane, honestly. Poor Laura's just confused. Much confusion. I feel ya. What just knocked? Should I be concerned? Guys? What just knocked? Something knocked in my left ear. You didn't hear that? It's definitely not the music because I know this song. This one plays constantly. I don't play around with knocking sounds. I hate that sound. I hate the sound of knocking. It freaks me out. Don't know why. But it was in my left ear. And now I'm traumatized. Must be gaslighting myself pretty darn hard because that was right in my ear. You know what, dude? I don't have time for you. There's a guy behind my face. I want to listen to this song again because now I'm like confused. Yes, very terrifying. And if yeah. Someone had a hello playing a map. Like a sound alert. Because that's awful. Beep pew. Hey, TechBat, that was fast. Did you eat that fast? Did you breathe? Because that was very fast. But welcome back, yeah. Just Kirby'd it up, just hoovered it. I am catching some on my own. I feel a sneeze coming on. I feel like we haven't had a cam malfunction and it's imminent. Oh, don't say that. We had the one. I mean, they're pretty rare for me anyway. Toilet seat. Oh, you're right. It was black before. I don't think we usually get more than like one camera malfunction. Oh, pill bottles moved. See, sometimes I pay attention. Yeah, we had one earlier. We missed the whole patient room. Hey, shadow entity. If I had kept that on the bingo card, that would have been on our bingo. The only thing I'm good at. Yeah, I'm not 100% useless. I'm about 80% useless. Not the full 100, but at least about 80% of that I'm kind of useless. Hard is hard, you sure right. And we have 36 minutes to go. And we have already had the warning, so... That's all I gotta say about that. Oh wait, the notebook's gone. I got it. I got it. In the patent. Just excited to get one. No, that's totally fair. I have been feeling that for sure. I get so excited when I find something on my own. Still no P window. Yeah, you guys are locked. It's all the talking in binary, you guys just like synced up. One! Oh no, Lors has got the ones down as well. What are you guys talking about? Corridor, oh. Oh, home sweet home. Okay, I got there. I got there. I was looking in the wrong room. Home sweet home. It ain't in the hospital, I'll tell you that much. Yeah. Yay, I can do binary. Home as the morgue. Yeah, I don't think I want to live in the morgue. Specifically, like... Yo, we got a ghost baby? A ghost demon baby? Uh-huh. Yep. Oh, demon boy's back. Yo, why he breathing at me like that? Oh! Oh my god, we did it. Oh my god, we did it. Holy cow. We done did it. Good job, team. Holy cow, I felt like I actually did stuff that round. That was impressive. Okay, so now we have our bingo card. Oh, sorry, hold on. So it seems to be markedly more proficient than originally thought. Indeed, none of the previous subjects lasted through the entire experiment. Have the boys at HQ managed to isolate any outliers from the data? We've already listened to this, haven't we? Because we beat it all on standard. Now it's still ongoing. Yeah, we've already read this. Nonsense is happening. That's what's happening. Okay. Now we gotta look at our bingo card. That's the wrong button. Hello? Okay. Yeah, iffy on the aggressive gasp. Why am I getting weird music from observation duty now? I'm on bingo duty. So yeah, I don't think we have any others. Oh no, we have the back to back. The title should be called I'm on bingo duty. Absolutely. Everyone would be like, huh? Oh, we had sniper report. That's right. All right, so we have 2 chances that are close at bingo. Chat gets us killed, which... Oh, music changed when you finish all 6 maps. Oh, okay, that makes sense. And then missed a dead body, which isn't... I don't think it's gonna come up. Yeah, a lot of these are pretty far away. So the only thing we have left to do in number 6 is... Yes, Teddy, thank you so much for your help. That was phenomenal. Appreciate everything you did. Please get some good rest. We appreciate you always. Oh god, that's not the one I meant to push. Okay. I forgot to change my swear jar. Yes, have a good night, Teddy. We'll see you next time. Next time. So yes, technically the only thing we have left to do in Observation Duty 6 is meet the Lumberjack, which is an achievement that, you know, obviously we can't control getting. It is, you know, random, as it were. That's just how it be. Also, I also have to add a new quote to our Discord server. Okay. Cool beans. But yes, we've gotten all the achievements other than meeting the lumberjack in the cottage. That's literally it. You do meet the lumberjack in the cottage, right? Like that's what would make sense to me. That's the only place he would be, yeah. This loading screen music is insane to me now. Um, so the question is, do we try and get the lumberjack and hope for the best? Or do we play something else for the last half hour? Because we could pull up I'm on observation duty 3 and get frightened. Which sounds like a nightmare, honestly. But we could do that. Or I could pull up a different game. What are you guys vibing with? Because I don't know how much of a percentage of a chance it is to meet the lumberjack to begin with. We've played the cottage one a few times. And haven't come across him, which is weird. But that does give us another couple chances on the bingo card, technically. Technically. Hi! Hello, Capone. Welcome in. You just missed us finishing up Observation Duty 6 on hard. We did it. Like, we did it. We did it. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Oh, no. That's a good thing. Yeah, we did it. So we're debating right now on trying to find the lumberjack. Well, running into the lumberjack by chance. Because that's the only other achievement we're missing. Or, switching to something else. Oh, no, I missed it. Yeah, that's what I figured you meant, but it just sounded funny. But our next attempt is Observation Duty 3. Because we haven't touched that one since I first started doing all the things. Also, I think we might be lagged right now, so I apologize if I am behind. Maybe we're okay. I'm not sure. A little. Yeah, it looks like I'm a couple seconds behind. I can deal with that. Yeah, you just missed Teddy. Teddy was also just here. Attention. They just went to bed. So it was a we had a pretty full lobby. And TechBat is new, but I don't know if you guys have run into each other since that seems to happen a lot in the Observation Duty world. You guys just kind of know each other, which is kind of adorable, honestly. No puppo. Yeah, it was quite the party. We beat 3 maps in a row first try. It was kind of impressive. It was kind of an impressive evening. So, well, since we only have half an hour, let's just try finding the lumberjack. Maybe we'll get. Why don't we just try for the achievement? Yeah. We're starting a new game so close into the stream. Yeah, that's fair. Oh, and we're, I think, an ad break. Oops. Ad jail. So, Summer Cottage. I guess we'll just do it on hard. Because why not, you know? I think we got a gimme last time anyway. I thought it was really, really easy. That does mean a good chance of crawlies. Yeah. It is going to be a problem. We'll see. We'll see. Let's just try and get the achievement. And if we don't get him tonight, it's whatever. Hi, Yakota. Oh my god, everyone is here. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Happy whatever time zone. See, I was right. TechBat does know Capone. That's so funny. Everyone knows everybody. I feel like such a newcomer. How you doing today, Yakota? Yeah, we passed only because of them, for reals. You're doing terrible. I'm sorry to hear that, Yokota. That's not good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with my 13 correct answers on your quiz though, Capone. I'm not like mad about that. Considering I know very little. You want to try to answer the question solo? I mean, I'm sure he'd run it through for you again if you want. I'm of no help because, again, I only got 13 correct. Out of, what, 40? Oh, your game didn't end up running, Jeff? I'm sorry. You got the flu and your parents might divorce. Oh, God. What a time. You can't do it again, Tech. No cheating. I'm sorry to hear that, Yokota. That sounds like a lot. Yeah, hopefully you didn't get the flu because they're getting divorced, or they're getting divorced because you have the flu. That would be awful. Yeah, my parents have been divorced since I was like 3. So I don't have the same experience as people getting their parents split like later in life. It's not related, but I got the flu on Monday and the news about the divorce today. Oof. Why they gotta break that to you when you got the flu though? Couldn't they have waited? Seems a little rude. Only 3? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I was pretty young. You were the last one to find out? Ugh. Yeah, I don't know which is worse. Finding out last or finding out while you're sick? I don't know. When I'm sick, I don't want anyone to even talk to me, so like, I'm a little biased in that regard. Hey, you open up those doors. Your older sister had to convince your mom to inform you? Thought that I wouldn't have known? Oh my god. I mean, you deserve to know too. That's insane. Yeah, as scary as divorce sounds, usually it's better in the long run. And I know that's a horrible thing to say, but if they're already in talks about it, you know. Oh, I was home when Mom confronted Dad about his misdeeds. I had to wear headphones. Ugh. I was hoping it was like an amicable split thing. Oh yeah, Capone, yeah. What's the highest score on your quiz that you've received? He's here, lurking. Dad's involved in pretty bad stuff right now, and your mom is mad. Ah. That's unfortunate. Uh-oh. We've got a ghost. Wow, at only 1 hour in. Ghost. 'Tis I. I am the ghost. Loris, you'll be fine. I think we've got time before it can possibly spawn, right? Wow! Tech, you've got the highest score? Dang. That's some kind of percentage. It's over 50%. I know that. I was never good with percentages. Good job, Tech. That's awesome. Oh, good. You're gonna have a day with your mom? That'll be awesome. 62.5. Okay, thanks, Capone. I was not gonna do that math. Hey, that's a D. Everyone keep an eye out for Crawley, man. That's all we can focus on now. No one beat your high school. Yeah. Hopefully no one's beating up your high school. I'm the lowest score? Am I the lowest score? I think it is still pink. I meant score, not school. Okay. Yeah. Listen, I have to win at something. I might as well be the worst. But to be fair, when you started the quiz, I said I was going to be absolute trash at it, so I wasn't wrong. I was happy that I got 13. I didn't think I was going to get 2. You know, so I'm not mad, but that is embarrassing. That's okay. I knew I was not going to do well at the quiz. One person hasn't finished the quiz yet. Just tackle them. Hold them down and say, take this quiz. I need you to get lower than 13. Is it going to take it longer on the back here when you get to it? I want to catch Crawley. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, we got the arm. Yeah, so Crawley would be, like, you can't see my mouse, but last I saw them, they were, like, over here. So no creepy Crawley. Sorry that my siblings do actually see me as a big sister, because I pep talk them into comforting dad with their feelings. My little bro even ate dinner with him. That's awesome. Well, then you're handling things really well, Yakoda. I know it's a tough thing to go through. Yeah, he also showed up to the left of the grill. That's right. You're absolutely right. I forgot about that. I forgot. I forgot. You've been ready for Game 8 since 7 came out. Coughing does suck, yeah. Tree. What? Thinner when this isn't, you'll be winner. By the outhouse, the tree is thinner. Oh. Ellie, quit. She's licking her bed. Thank you, guys. Yeah, Katina and Teddy have been doing that for me. I'm sure for other people too, of course, but the anomaly counter, yeah. Well, it's better than Teddy just randomly popping in and being like 300, and I'm like, what? What are you talking about? It's definitely faster for you guys to type that way, you know? The darts are missing from the dartboard. You guys can't see, but yeah, we're hoping for the lumberjack. Mine Sander did the shelf by the kitchen window change. Actually, you might be right. I don't remember which way it's supposed to be, but this can change. Someone wanted emotes as hints. That'd be hard to do. Okay. I went too fast past that. God, I hope there wasn't anything in that. You used emotes as hints? I know, Loris. Now I'm like, oh God, what if I, what if I just messed this up really bad? I don't think I did, but I was just clicking through. Ah. Emotes as hints would be really difficult unless you had a wide collection of them, you know? Showed the lectern emote in university like a year ago. Let's just channel point sound alerts. That's really funny. Yeah, if I do prefer being like, oh hey, there's like this is the room it's in. Or even just doing like the one anomaly thing, because usually I can parse it out. But if I'm like stuck, you know, or if I've already had the warning and we're at, you know, it's kind of whatever. I do like trying to figure it out on my own, especially maps that I've looked at a lot. A small box missing by its twin by a black bag is where to begin. Yeah. Oh, the buckets. There's extra buckets. Yeah, you can see it. Right by my head. Crawly guys make me paranoid? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, every time I go to the backyard, I'm like... just like looking aggressively. And I keep looking at the cutting board. I'm making sure that handle is pointed to the left. Out of all the anomalies, Nixie's the hardest sometimes. Even you miss it? Oh man, don't say that. That'll be in big trouble. Come on, lumberjack. They are very well camouflaged. Oh my god. I keep thinking the microwave is going to change, but then I remember that was overnight watch. That's very true. That's so funny still that we got that one mixed up. You can blend it. There was a thing that said like which anomaly kills the most people. Ooh, that'd be a good statistic. Hey, eyeballs for dinner. Yeah, for everyone in chat, we recommend Overnight Watch. The developer was in our chat the other day, and they are phenomenal, and they're very sweet, and their game is really good. It's in early access, but we do recommend it. I think it's only like, what, $5 right now? Oh, Scythe. Do you think if Death uses his scythe upside down, it brings one back to life? Yes, overnight watch. By a single developer. And they popped by chat and told us a lot about the building stuff. And they gave us a little like extra beta code, and it was really fun. Used on farms or to reap the dead. This tool's been turned up on its head. I like that. Yeah, not the overnight watch. No, the. Yeah. Overnight watch by Kambaras. And they were very nice. For them, Jack, you ideally need the axe to move any of the 2 wood stacks or to change or the ghost heads. Oh, well. Yeah, the overnight watch was what Jacksepticeye, and it's not released yet. So we got that mixed up, and they popped in and you know, and said and talked to us. So yeah, it's without the. It's just overnight watch. I mean, he's always wanted to do, you know, a game of some kind, so I'm not surprised. I'm only like vaguely surprised he picked an Anomaly game, but it's because like his extra mini series stuff he's been doing relates to Anomaly type activity. So it doesn't surprise me that much. Like his Iris project is all about Anomaly stuff, so not doing good mentally. No, you weren't being a bummer, Jeff. There's a lot going on right now, and I'm sorry if I missed anything. But yeah, please get some rest. You are never obligated to perform, I guess is the word. But yeah, have a good rest, and tomorrow is another day. And if you need to pick me up, the Discord always has cute pets, so there is that. Yeah, and that goes for anybody in chat. Never feel like you have to be at your 100%, you know? Like, if you just want to lurk and chill, that's totally fine. Like, I don't expect anything, you know? Hey. The fire! Yeah, we haven't had any wood stuff happen. Please go find something hot, then you'll realize there it's not. You're gonna meet ZC Note, currently plays the 7th game. Okay. Yeah, have fun with that. Yeah, we beat that one a couple weeks ago. It's still a great game to play and watch. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us, Tech, and have fun in the other stream. Hopefully they do a great job and have a lot of fun. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna end up getting the lumberjack on this run through, which is a shame. Because I don't think we'll have time to run it through again. Since each round takes like half an hour. Unless you die. Don't click that. Light distortion. Light distortion? No, just light. Oh, the cutting board changed. I'm paying attention. This time. This time I noticed. The wooden board should be in sight. Its handle should point left, not right. Yeah, so funny about that one, Capone, is that we were talking about it in chat, and then I was like, all right, I'm going to remember that the handle points left. I kid you not, the next time we went to the camera, it switched, and I didn't notice. And Loris was like, you just said. I was like, you're right. I forgot. I instantly missed it after I called it out. Oh my god, that's really funny. Lurking on the stream of Tech went too. He just asked if they've met Debo. If they say no, I think it's only fair that your duties must be called elsewhere, Capone. If someone else needs your rhyming aid. Because technically I've already beaten it. We're just doing this for achievement hunting. Which we're not even going to get on this run through, which I'm kind of mad about. The following, don't know what you replied. Blizzard's moved into set of 5. Fix them fast if you want to survive. Oh boy. I will get back over there in just a moment. Yeah. I was excited to pick that one up the last time I played. Oh, the towel changed. Towel change. We might not get crawlied either. We're almost at 5 a.m. I mean, there's still a chance, obviously. You're okay with that? Yeah, I mean, Capone, if you need to go over there, that's totally okay if you want to go early. I mean, we only have 10 more minutes anyway. I mean, in stream time. I don't know how long the actual round takes. I was debating on that. Just going ahead and raiding him. I forget to raid at least 90% of the time. Whoa! Ma'am! She got the jitters. I don't know if I've ever had her. Yeah, I mean, I usually forget to raid because most people are gone by then anyway. Oh my gosh, hello! Welcome in, Womanly Hormones. How are you today? It has been a long time. I saw you streaming... Gosh, I don't forget what day it was, but it was like right as I was getting off the computer. So I didn't get to say hello. But yes, how are you doing? You're still playing Little Nightmares 2? Did I see that correctly? Yeah, we're in the last hour. This is gonna be a time. Yes, we are doing well. The axe changed, is that... The axe was up, right? How you liking streaming? Is still having a good time with it? Ooh, I was right. Nice. This is observation duty number 6. We've played the other ones in the series. And we're just achievement hunting right now. Good, I'm glad you're enjoying it. It's a fun little time, isn't it? Oh, is this a tiny bottle? Am I crazy? Shaking Lady shows up in many maps. This is a tinier bottle, yeah? I don't think I'm crazy. Bottle wrong. Okay. Everyone has mentioned the tiny bottle, but I think that's the first time I've seen it. I mean, a lot of people, great people, including you. That's awesome. I'm so glad you're having, yeah, a good time. You can find a really good community. Oop, the girl's on. There's a lot of really good people, and other streamers are very supportive. So I'm glad you're doing good. With this hint, you'll soon realize a bottle changed its design and size. Oh, that's good. But yeah, if anyone was curious, Womanly Hormones over here is a new streamer. And she is currently going through Little Nightmares 2. And I lost my train of thought. But yeah. Yeah, she's a lot of fun. She's very nice if you guys ever want to pop over there. Usually stream on the weekends. Is that correct? If I remember correctly. I think it was like the nights that I don't stream, weirdly enough, so. I think you said Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, we might not get got by the crawly. Did I miss? Oh, I did miss. You're right. I caught it out of the corner of my eye. The wood cannot go past the 3rd rung. I know, I'm like hoping he'll show up. I don't know where he shows up though either, because I've never seen the lumberjack. Or are we gonna get last minute crawlied? Warehouse? Oh, that's where he appears. I'm dumb, sorry. We were just talking about it and I'm like, warehouse? Yeah, then we're definitely not gonna get him. We only got 7 minutes. A rock is missing near the path. Fix it fast. Or face my wrath. Ooh, my goodness. First, I'm gonna fix this blood. A rock is missing near the path. Rock is missing the path. The rock. The rock! Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Hey, we got one last anomaly in there. Quick! Lumberjack! That was worth a shot. Fix 28 anomalies. Okay. Yeah, no crawly. Is it just me or is that map like easier than the other ones? Like, I don't know if it's because we just beat it and so I'm like more used to them. I don't know. Or maybe I was just really focused that time. I'm not sure which one it is. But we did it again. We did it. So I mean, we're not gonna have to do it. We can't do it tonight, but we're going to have to try that again. It did seem easier. Yeah, go have fun with that. We'll probably raid over there if I wrote down the name correctly. But thanks for hopping in, Capone. Always appreciate it. Always a pleasure. But yes, we got no bingo today. We got no bingo. But that's okay. That's okay. I don't know what we would have done if we got bingo again. And Sopa wasn't here, so that would have been very sad. But yeah, Sopa posted a bunch of cats in Discord today, in case anyone was curious. They are very cute, and I'm pretty happy. It's, yeah, okay. I did write it down right. Okay. Yeah, I did. Cool beans. Yeah, so if you guys want to see any cute pets, Discord is the place to be. We don't do much over there other than that. Oh, we got a boy in the background.
Hello?
Hello. Hi, Andres. You're just coming in at the end of our stream. And you get to see a cat. Look at him. Look at that beautiful boy. He's kind of on camera. You can see him a little better now that I have the red under there. Yeah, how are you doing today? Happy Wednesday. Such a pretty boy. He's just a void kitty. Yes, he's just a little man's. I'll have to post more pictures of him in the Discord. But yeah, I posted him making biscuits. If you guys like seeing Ellie, especially, I know she pops up on stream a lot. And then little Balthazar here, little man's, he is in our Discord. And yeah, we don't do a ton over there because we are new to the whole Discord scene. But if you just need to chat or place to vent, we have that too. Yes, we are doing good. We just technically beat almost all. We are missing one of the observation duties, but we've beaten all the observation duties. We need a couple more achievements, but that's about it. But yeah, so we're doing good. I hope you're doing good as well with your channel shenanigans. I haven't been able to catch you in a while. Because I'm either streaming or working on stream stuff because that's what this is now. I'm sure you understand. Okay. Oh, why is he shadow a Discord kitten? So about that. So it was a joke. It was a joke in the beginning of when we first started of, I don't remember how it actually happened, but one of our main chatters, one of our mods, Red, made some jokes about being chat mistress, which automatically makes everyone her kitten. So I said when I ever got a Discord, I would make a Discord kitten channel for the people that were there at the time. So it's for early supporters of the channel, which is technically you too, Andres. So congratulations, you're about to be a Discord kitten. I hope you're prepared for that. But yeah, it's just a dumb joke that we did, and that's where we're at. It's a fun time. Just a oh boy. Yeah, just a silly fun time. Yeah, Discord's still new, and we just launched it like last week. It's a great time. Got ahead a bit. Thanks for streaming. Yes, absolutely, Loris. Appreciate your help as always. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. Yeah, we're about to wrap up, but if you guys are going to be back tomorrow, 6 p.m., we'll be back with Love. There it is. With Love, toot. Love, Internet, and Murder Magic is what we're playing tomorrow. It is a brand new game as of the 17th, I believe, and it should be a fun time. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, I apologize. There's a lot of tooting involved. That is just the way things are. It's just the way my chat happens to be. But yeah. But we are going to be rating a fellow observation duty player tonight that my chat recommended. So if you guys want to hang around for that, go do that. Say hello. I don't have a raid emote yet because I don't. But I appreciate everyone for hanging out, and even if you were just lurking in the background, I always appreciate that as well. And we got a couple gifted subs today, which was phenomenal, and a lot of bits given out. I appreciate that. As always, your support means the world. But thank you guys so much. I'll be back tomorrow at 6 p.m. If not, I'll be back on Sunday at 8:30 in the morning, because why not? So it'll be great. All right, guys, that'll be it for me. I will talk to you next time. Have a lovely evening. And if I don't see you, have a great weekend. Actually, that's pretty close. So, yeah, it'll be a great time. All right, guys, I will talk to you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.